Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Artisan Tokens in PUBG on PC. Artisan Tokens in PUBG are a special currency item mainly used for crafting, upgrading, or redeeming exclusive cosmetic items through in-game events and workshops. To get started, launch PUBG on your PC and head to the main lobby. From here, go to the workshop or events section depending on the current season. As you can see, my workshop is not unlocked because this is a new ID and I am not eligible yet. One common way to earn Artisan Tokens is by completing event missions. These missions usually include daily or weekly tasks that reward tokens once completed. You can also obtain Artisan Tokens through special crate passes or limited time events. Make sure to regularly check the in-game events tab so you do not miss new opportunities to earn them. In some cases, Artisan Tokens may also be available through in-game purchases or bundled rewards tied to seasonal updates. And that's it. We just learned how to get Artisan Tokens in PUBG on PC by completing event missions and participating in workshop-related activities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.